Welcome everyone, this is Manu from Manu's Windsurfing blog, and after a successful repair of my sail top strap, I decided to share how I went about repairing my harness bar strap. The strap being nearly cut in half, I will place the new strap over the area, leaving enough room on either side to apply a box X stitch pattern. I'll be using this Speedy Stitcher sewing awl, along with this huge roll of V92 polyester thread. Both are available on Amazon, and I'll place the links in the video description. To set up the awl, I pull out the spool of wax thread that came with it and insert my own thread directly into the back and out through the small hole on the side of the stitcher. The needle is stored below the cap. It has a groove where the thread can slide through. I insert the needle, making sure to align it with the other groove on the wooden handle. Then I pull the thread through the groove of the awl body and out through the hole of the metal cap. I can now pass the thread through the needle hole and screw the top back on, making sure that the thread stays loose inside its own channel. When forming a loop on the backside of the project, it's important to place the thread through the opposite side of the awl groove. I use this small tensioner tip to feel which side of the groove I'm on. If you end up threading on the wrong side, it's okay. You can just loosen the stitch on the backside, pull the backside thread away from the loop, and now the loop will come free when pulling on the stitcher. After lining up the straps together, we simply punch through to pass the thread on the backside of the project. From there, we can pull however much thread we think we need to complete the project. I pull the awl back out and then go over to the side, the length of what I want the stitch to be. I punch through again, and this time I pull slightly back to form a loop. I place the thread through the opposite side of the groove and tension both sides of the thread equally to tighten and lock the stitch. There are two things here. I'm holding both straps together. However, to make things easier, I recommend that you use something flat to lean against to maintain alignment and be safer. Also, I'm using a twisting motion that possibly damages some of the material. Again, it's better to lean against something and press straight down, maybe like a piece of wood. From there, things are pretty straightforward. I punch through the side of the previous hole, passing the thread through the loop and tightening both sides of the thread, forming an X pattern inside a rectangle. When we're running low on thread, or we want to finish up our last stitch, we simply punch through one last time, and then we pull enough thread to be able to make a knot with the last two remaining pieces of thread. Voila, this is the final result. It's held up really well so far, just like my sail strap. Stitching can take a little while, but once you're in the groove, it can go faster and becomes easier with each project. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.